Bafowethu uSibiya usehlulwe ngisho nayi imibuzo elula nje, imibuzo elula. Aphi ama document awu-121, aphi ama document awu-121. uSibiya uyamhlula lo mbuzo uyangingisa, aphi ama document awu-100, aphi ama dockets, where are the dockets, where are 121 dockets? Uyahluleka uSibiya ukuphendula. Ayi, senkingeni bafowethu, uyahluleka. Okay, umbuzo omunye uthi a civil servant, uMkhotsi is a civil servant njengami nje, avela azoqhamuka ne-information ekufuna ngabe eyakwi-intelligence. Lokho akukukhathazi, no, akungikhathazi. Uyazi zonke izinto eziphendula uSibiya zi-mess up. uShadrack Sibiya, guys, he is mess up, you know. Uke wathi omunye umfowethu ebuza umbuzo lapha ku-Facebook wathi mangase kuthiwa ngampela ke nangu uSibiya wenza ngathi mina ngavele ngithi prosecutor, ngitshela umshushisi, ngavele ngithi umshushisi tshela imantshi, bopha lo muntu. Ku-obvious bafowethu, ku-obvious. Ayikho into ezotestify uShadrack Sibiya la. Unamanga lo muntu akazi nokuthi athini, ugingiza ka-1000 before aphendula umbuzo. Nakhona makwazama ukuthi uyachaza, ayikho lento ayichazayo. Sibiya vele uthula, ayikho lento. Thula Sibiya. Shadrack Sibiya, hayi we scam. Thula, ayikho lento ayichazayo. Ayikho. Thula nje Shadrack Sibiya, ayikho lento ayichazayo. Yonke into oyikhulumayo nje out of order. Konke. Imibuzo ibuzayo awukwazi ukuphendula umbuzo, ufuna ukujaha uchazani Sibiya, ngoba phendula umbuzo Shadrack phendula umbuzo uchazani. Lo muntu waba kanjani uDeputy Commissioner? Waba kanjani uDeputy Commissioner? Kanjani? Ayikho lento ichazayo Sibiya, ayikho. Aphi ama document, aphi ama dockets awu-121. Uyangingiza nakhona awukwazi ukunikeza i-answer straight, uyangingiza kaningi. Okay, akukhathaza ukuthi ngempela wena uMkhotsi lo wakhona uBrian Mkhotsi uza ne-information ekufuneke ngabe iyimfihlo ye-intelligence yesizwe. Akukhathazi lokho wena uyithatha ugijima nayo. Hayi ngeke, suka, hayi suka, bopha lento, bophani lento. Ayiyejele lento, ayikhona bafowethu, ayiyejele lento. Ayikho lento kaSibiya, ayikho. Shadrack Sibiya.
Jindo, what is your definition of an activist?
An activist is a person who is actually an activist is a person who's I'm looking for the right English word, Chair, who is actually no, it's not a difficult word. It's just there's this word that is disappearing in my mind. But an activist is a person who is actually not lobbying, but standing for a particular rights and then
championing.
Yeah, maybe it's the right word. Championing for a particular. It can be an activist to fight for the drugs, or it can be for the politics, for politicians, or for whatever. Maybe
Usiza ukuthi le equipment othi umphanazi ukhuluma into angayazi ikhona yini, yathenga?
No, ayikho, akazithengwa futhi.
So akuna Paulo Sullivan owakusiza ukuthenga equipment?
No.
I-relationship yakho no Paulo Sullivan injani?
Paulo Sullivan, I know him very well. I've been operating in Gauteng for many years, and then he's one of the active role players in terms of crime fighting. He reports crime, people report to him, he reports to the police. And look, Paulo Sullivan contacts everybody. Even if you are the National Commissioner, you will get an email from Paulo Sullivan. He's not my friend. I've never been to his house. He's never been to my house. I've never gone to a restaurant with Paul O'Sullivan where we sat and we drank tea or coffee. What Paul O'Sullivan is all about is that he's a forensics expert. He receives many information that he processes and even relay to the police. Just like your Mike Bolhayes, your Thomas Chat, these are the people that are active in the crime fighting system. They are there, you can't avoid them, and you can't wish them away.